Hi guys, here 12 minus this is 3 power 2 is 9 divided by 3 times 2 plus 5. Now 12 minus 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 2 plus 5. Here 12 minus 3 is 9 times this 2 plus 5. Here this is 9 times 2 is 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 is 23 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, this 23 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here 12 minus, here inside the bracket we have two operations. One is exponent and other one is division. This exponent is higher priority than this division. So we have to do this exponent before this division. So 3 square is 9 divided by 3 times 2 plus 5. Now 12 minus 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 2 plus this 5. Now here we have subtraction, multiplication and addition. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 12 minus 3 times 2 is 6 plus 5. Here 12 minus 6 is 6 plus 5. Here 6 plus 5 is 11 is the correct answer.